Good morning everybody, I hope you all enjoyed yesterday's vlog, but here's a new one. So, today we are going, they're working on the pool outside actually, the Rancho's pool, they're like retiling it and everything. But today, we are going to Hollywood Studios! Because basically what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and get on Rise of the Resistance. So, let's go! No!
So we just arrived at Hollywood Studios at the crossroads of the world. And then we look straight down Hollywood Boulevard. So that's what they call this one, yeah, Hollywood Boulevard. Right down at the Chinese Theatre. I'm not sure where the girls have gone now. Ah, they're there. So we'll have a quick look through the shops on this side. Oh, nearly run over by a mobility scooter there. Speeding down the lane. Let's go get some AC. Oh, it's Halloween merch. Lots of Halloween merch coming out now. Plenty of pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns, more crispy treats. Oh, the 50th bows. Here's the girls. What's Lily seen now? New me knows. More stuff.
They've got lounge flies as well now.
So there's all the lounge flies at the moment out. Some rare ones in there. But it's all about Galaxy's Edge today. Googly Bear. Who am I? So Brian and Reece have just joined us. We've had a walk down. We've got down Hollywood Boulevard together, and so they decided to go on Tower of Terror and ride that. Lily, did you decide to go on Tower of Terror? No, Lily's still not going on Tower of Terror. She'll do Velocicoaster, she'll do the Hulk 3 times, twice back to back, yeah, but yet she will not do.
Like 13 million feet in the air. Literally, they even said you are dropping 13 floors in the space of 0.95 seconds. That's how fast it is, and I'm sorry about that.
But she's not bored about doing 0 to 100 on the Hulk or whatever it is in 0.4 of a second. But dropping is just something that she's not into. So we're waiting outside just for them now, and there is the Tower of Terror. 13 floors of drop. We've just seen Goofy. Goofy came out onto this little veranda there to wave at everybody.
He's still there.
He's still there. Oh yeah, he's still there greeting guests as they're going in. So, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, so we're just going to have a chill out here, wait for him to get back. Oh look, there's Goofy!
Aww.
The main man himself.
I love Goofy.
Just greeting guests as they're going into the peril of dropping 13 floors, which is really bad because Lily doesn't like it.
Scary. Hi Goofy! So guys, while we're waiting for Mum, Reece and Bryce to come off Tower of Terror, I have just got a Golden Age from Joffrey's, which is literally just outside the exit of Tower of Terror. And basically what it is that it's a creamy passion fruit frappuccino with whipped cream and iridescent sprinkles. So let's have another try. And it was $6.81, and that was including tax. That is so nice. It's right, it's really nice. Oh my god. I didn't even know how to explain these things when I could write reviews and stuff. It's so nice. It's a frozen drink, so it's nice and refreshing for when you're around the parks. And you can definitely taste the passion fruit. It is really good. Very sweet, very nice. Like everything in Disney is sweet. Like everything in America is sweet. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Hi Reece.
Hello.
Hi Bri.
Hi.
The kids have joined us. So they've just done Tower of Terror.
Yeah, it was fab.
Really good ride. Bryony lost the magic band, but Nadine caught it, luckily. So that's okay. Lily definitely will not go on that ride. Don't know why. Just don't get it. Tried talking her into it, but she wouldn't have it. But it's now a 75-minute wait, so we definitely timed that one right. So we're just going to have a wander down here, see the sights, and head over to Baku. Yeah? Yeah?
Right.
Cool. Don't mess with this princess today. We all know that one. So we're about to walk through back into Galaxy's Edge. Love it, the fact that people can dress up here. Come in themed already. Oh, yes, shown already once. Don't mess with this princess. Wow. Just absolutely love the theming in this place. It's amazing. It's great. Brilliant when we were here in 2019 when it opened main day. It was busy that day, really was busy. But it's just great. It does make you feel like you're in a different place. Free one for all the tourists, of course. Line in lane saying 2:30 at the moment. And yet we are at a, is that 95-minute wait?
Yeah.
95-minute wait for Rise. There's an X-Wing, an A-Wing. I'm sure that's Ahsoka's A-Wing. Sure that's who it's meant to be. Ahsoka's A-Wing there. Full size. Absolutely gorgeous machine. Yeah. So we're about to go ride Rise of the Resistance. We're not going to film anything here. We want to take in all of the atmosphere, all of the effects, everything ourselves, but we will give you a review once we come out of the other side. Oh my god, that is just unbelievable ride. It is. It's got everything in it.
Start to finish.
The moment you get through to the actual start, the line.
Finish the queue, and you start your experience.
The experience is so great, and I just can't get over that. I just can't.
I can't speak. I literally cannot speak.
Everything's in it, isn't it? It's a trackless ride. It's unbelievable. The motion in it, the graphics, the effects, everything. The cast. The cast are just phenomenal. They really are amazing. Lil?
I don't even know what to say. That was just so good. I loved it. That is the best ride. That's one of the best rides in like Hollywood studios.
I put that as the best ride. It's got everything in there. It's brilliant.
That is so good.
And you just, from the moment you get in, right the way through, you're part of it.
And like when you drop
it's everything, isn't it?
Straight away, as soon as you start.
As soon as you start, that's it. It's every single step of the way. There's something different, isn't it? And you walk into that room and there's all them stormtroopers in there.
Oh, that's incredible.
That is just incredible. Wow. Ray's Millennium Falcon. Absolutely brilliantly detailed. I love it. It's amazing.
So guys, we are just walking in. We're still in Batu. Thank God we made it out alive. We are just walking past Ogre's Cantina, which we went to the other day, and it was really nice. I love it. It's very hot today.
Lily, who's that?
Kylo Ren and Stormtroopers.
Kylo Ren.
Yes, sir. That's a no. Welcome to the first
Just wandering around the streets. Kylo Ren and 2 stormtroopers. Oh. And there's his ship.
Time now serve the First Order. Get used to that feeling.
So we've just left Baku and now we're coming into Toy Story Land. We haven't been in Toy Story Land this time, so this is going to be the first time for us on this holiday. So Lily's just been having a picture taken by the lollipop wall for Insta.
I'm hot.
You're hot. It is hot now, isn't it? It's middle of the day. It's the worst time probably to be out in the heat. But then there's probably going to be thunderstorms later on, so we need to get them done now. So we've got Slinky Dog Dash to do in here. Yeah. And then we're going to go over and do Rock and Roller Coaster.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we'll probably head back to the hotel and spend some pool time. No. No pool time today. Right, okay. You heard it here first.
Hello. So guys, we are about to ride Slinky Dog Dash. Reece is by himself and his best friend. Mum and Dad are together, and me and Brownie too.
Where it is.
Here we go.
That was strange with that. That was the camera then. Oh, it seemed to slow down then as it came up that hill bit, didn't it? It seemed to kind of like pause. That was really strange.
I'm so happy you're here. I just have to sing.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Hey, I love that.
New toys in the backyard? Welcome! I'd love to come down and shake your hands. Really, I just love to come down. For any reason.
So guys, we've had an early exit from Hollywood Studios. The kids all did Rock and Roller Coaster. Me and Nadine hid, well, we got some aircon in the shop, but then when we came out, it absolutely chucking it down. It was absolutely bouncing off the floors. The streets was running with water.
Yeah, there was so many
we've
people,
just
like, sprinting.
got straight to the bus, got on the bus, met a lovely family who got talking to Lily. Her daughter also did musical theatre and she's going to is it the conservatory?
Leeds Conservatoire.
Leeds Conservatoire she was going to. So it's nice teaching them, and if they want to meet up with Lily and introduce Hermione to Lily, and they can have a sing off or something, they were saying.
Yeah.
So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully we'll bump into them again. Yeah. But now we're just gonna have a little bit of chill. It looks like people are emptying off from the pool by the looks of that over there in the distance, so there probably might be a bit of lightning in the area. So we'll just have a chill in the room and then get ready to go to Raglan Road later on. Woohoo! Bit of Irish dancing. So guys, one of the joys of coming during August to Disney is the rain. We're due to go out tonight to Raglan Road down in downtown Disney Springs, but it's just decided that it wants to absolutely chuck it down. So Lily is fashioning the latest poncho look. Killing it with her style there as always. But yeah, it is. There's some clearing up. Clear skies coming, so it doesn't look too bad. But talk about getting soaked. Florida weather, when it rains, it rains. So Lily, we made it to spring, and is it raining? No, it stopped raining. Typical Florida weather. As soon as it starts raining, the sooner you go anywhere else, it stops. So we're absolutely soaked. New kicks, soaked. But hey ho, it's now starting to warm up, so we'll dry off very, very quickly, and we'll go to Raglan Road and have something to eat.
Hello. So we are here at Disney Springs. Very wet. My poncho had a rip in it down there, so literally water got everywhere. Like, my shoes have gone from white to grey. That's great. Dad's shoes have gone from light green to now dark green. Oh well. So we are here at Disney Springs because we've got a booking at Raglan Road, and I'm really excited because I haven't been.
Oh, in years to Raglan Road. I don't think we went last time, did we?
Oh, I think it's like
6 years.
Yes, 6 years since we've been, so it's a long time. So I'm excited. So let's go. I thought about it. You're contemplating. We're at Raglan Road. I'm next to the stage, and I'm going to stick in.
Raglan Road.
Amazing. I love it. It's so fun. Like all the people that. Oh my god, the balloon's coming down. That's so cool. Sorry about that. It's so much fun. Like some of the characters, like not characters, but some of the, like the performers came up to me. They gave me like stickers that says I met the dancers at Raglan Road, and so that were really cute. So got one in the back of my phone. Mum's got one, Dad's got one, Reece has got one, and Bridie's got one. So we've all got one. So
what did you think about the dancing?
Really good.
Really good.
It is so good, and it must be.
What about the atmosphere?
Well, yeah, Irish pub. It reminded me of an Irish pub.
Well, it is an Irish pub. It's an Irish themed pub.
Exactly.
So that's what it is. But did you like the fit? Did you like the atmosphere in the place? Did you like
really nice.
The music?
The food was nice as well. The
food was nice as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Overall, love it.
So now we're just gonna have a wander through Disney Springs.
Yeah. Oh, I've just seen the ganachery as well.
Ganachery, yeah, the art of shaving. Pariso 37.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see how we go.
Woo!
The Disney Springs at the moment, and the beauty about Disney Springs is they have a lot of live acts going all the time. Lots of behind the scene footage here for the Instagram. Are you going to end today's vlog? As we're walking out of Disney Springs.
So guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you all enjoyed it. And remember guys, we will see you tomorrow. Remember, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and remember hit that bell notification bell so you're notified every time a new video pops up. And remember guys, live your best life and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!